Hi, Cravens Cubs. Now what we're going to do is we are going to be doing some subtraction. Again, this is something that we did in class. And so you might just have to dust off that brain a little bit. And because you know how to do this, you're a smart, smart Cravens Cub. First, we're going to start with subtraction without regrouping. Okay, so we're just going to be doing some basic subtraction. The only thing that's different about subtraction in a place value chart and addition in a place value chart is we don't have to show both numbers in our place value chart when we subtract. Okay, so when we subtract, we only draw that top number because that's what's considered our whole. Okay, so when we subtract, we're taking a whole minus a part. Okay, when we're we've added a part and a part. That's why we draw both. Okay, but when we subtract, we only have to draw that top number, the whole number that we're subtracting from. So if you look, I've got a part of a worksheet that should be included in one of your 10 days of NTI work. Okay, in the back, or the problem says 589 minus 305. So what I do in the steps, just like on the adding worksheets, the steps are right there beside the problem is we build the first number. Let me get my pen. And we build the first number, which is this top number, our whole number. And we go 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the first things first, I just build it in my place value chart. Next, what I do is I subtract. I don't draw the second number in the place value chart like I did when I was adding. All I do now is subtract. Just mark them out. So it's minus 305. I start with the ones. Always start with your ones. So I subtract my ones first. It's minus 5 ones. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how I just marked them out? And how many ones do I have left over that aren't marked out? I have 4. So 4 ones are left over. Okay. Now I move on to my tens. Subtract the tens. So I have 8 tens minus 0 tens. 8 minus 0 equals 8. Goodness, let's see if I can write with this wonky pen. Not too bad, huh? The last one says 500s minus 300. So I just take and I mark them out just like we did in class. 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds do I have left over? I have 2. Whoop. So my answer to that problem is 284. Easy peasy. Just draw the top number and then subtract the bottom number.